Hi everyone. Recently, one of our customers contacted us via support forum and asked about tutorials of working with FoxPro databases. Here it is. Since we haven't got any, we decided to create some, and here's the first of them. So what we need to do, first of all, we need to work with 32-bit version of Advanced ETL Processor Enterprise, and we'll be using OLEDB connector for FoxPro. You have to download and install it first, and you will find the link on our wiki page. We have a vast list of OLEDB drivers download links. So just go to this page, download it and install it. We will put the link in the description. So the next step is to create a OLEDB connection. Let's call it FoxPro. And we select, we need to build connection string. Build have, okay. We can select directory, or we can use FoxPro database DBC file. I actually have DBC file for it. I copied sample from FoxPro DBC installation. Okay, so click OK. Now what we can do, we can actually browse the data we have in it. So we have customers, for example, in the data. So in this particular example, I'm going to be converting FoxPro data into Excel, but the same principle can be used for anything. For example, we can convert it to CSV or tab delimited file or QED files. It doesn't matter. So just we need to create new directory. This is a directory where we will be storing our data. So this one. And after that, what we need to do, we need to create transformation. First step is to create a transaction group, and then we can actually create a transformation. So let's call it FoxPro. So and we say our connection type to OLEDB. Select our FoxPro connection. Then we say that we want to scan by letter. It's actually shows the views as well. So customers. Okay. Auto format. So we're not going to validate anything, so we don't need to. And what we will do, copy list of fields to the writer, massive time saver, and we will set the writer type to Excel. We say that that's our target. And for data, for example. At header, say that customers. Okay, so the next is very complicated task. What we need to do, we need to mark the fields. So we just drag mouse like this, and if you want to remove it, we repeat it and we'll remove it. Or we can just use auto-mark. Right. So now we are ready to transfer the data or convert it. As you can see, we converted human records. This is our data, and we can continue. We have Excel installed. We can see it in Excel. As you can see, this is rather easy. Another alternative, what we can do, we can use DBF as a source. But it requires some additional drivers installation. So in this particular example, I decided not to use it. Or we can use, for example, we can use just a DBC. There are some DBC drivers for FoxPro, and I think there is a DBC driver for 64-bit version of DBC drivers as well. So that's another alternative. Anyway, so as you can see, that was rather simple. And again, we thank our customer for posting this question. I hope it will benefit some other users as well. And again, if you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum and ask them there. And you might be surprised how fast you will get the answer. And please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.